Today we will understand some topics related to lines and angles. First of all, we take collinear points. Three or more points are said to be collinear if there is a line which contains all of them. It means all the points, three or more points lie on a same straight line is called collinear points. In geometry, a line, what is a line? Line is a straight. Line has some property. First one, it is a straight. It has no thickness, and number 3, extends in both directions without end, infinitely. After that, line segment. Suppose if x and y are 2 points on a line, then the parts of the line with end points x and y is called the line segment xy. Intersecting lines. Two lines are intersecting if they have a common point. The common point is called point of intersection. Concurrent lines. Three or more lines intersecting at a point are said to be concurrent. Parallel lines. Two lines are said to be parallel if the distance between them is constant everywhere. Angle. Angle is formed by two rays with a common initial point. Acute angle. An angle whose measure is less than 90 degrees is called acute angle. A right angle. An angle whose measure is 90 degrees is called right angle. Obtuse angle. An angle whose measure more than 90 degree but less than 180 degree is called obtuse angle. Straight angle. An angle whose measure is 180 degree is called straight angle. Reflex angle. An angle whose measure is more than 180 degree but less than 360 is called reflex angle. Complementary angles. Two angles are said to be complementary if the sum of their measure is 90 degree. Supplementary angles. Two angles are said to be supplementary if the sum of their measure is 180 degree. Adjacent angles. Two angles having a common vertex and a common arm are called adjacent angles if their uncommon arms are on either side of the common arm. Vertically opposite angles. Two angles are said to form a pair of vertically opposite angles if their arms form two pairs of opposite rays. Linear pair. Two adjacent angles are said to form a linear pair if the sum of their measure is 180 degree.